using the Cherry Ion Love Marie Personal Air Purifier. So, ito yung facade niya. Ito yun. Ito yung side. Rechargeable, 12 hours usage, portable, and zero maintenance. And then, ito yung back niya. Then, another side. Then, let's open it. So guys, ito yung laman ng Love Marie Air Purifier box. Meron siyang pang charge, tapos may liner din siya, and then ito yung naman niya. Ito yung pinili ko, pero maraming design, pero sobrang nagandahan lang talaga ako sa design na to. And then dito siya charge. Tapos, click this or press this. So, you'll know na gumagana siya. May lanyard siyang kasama, pero it's your option to change para mas stylish siya. I haven't used it yet, pero I'll give you an update kung okay siya. So, it says on the box na you can use it for 12 hours, rechargeable siya using this USB, and portable naman talaga siya, and stylish din. Zero maintenance, so ibig sabihin hindi kailangan linisin dahil may auto-cleaning feature yata siya. Oh, by the way, medyo pricey nga pala siya compared sa regular na Cherry Ion. Check their website or you can check Shopee for prices. Yan lang. Thank you guys!